Hello students and welcome to this chapter on graphs and charts for business data. Till now, we have learned quite a bit on the basics of computer, the usage of data through computers, spreadsheets and so many things. Today, along with Tim and Joy, we will study graphs. Tim has recently got a super cool computer and both of them start experimenting graphs and charts. Please remember students that a graph is a pictorial representation of data which has two-dimensional relationship. Graphs and bars are the most popular way of representing a data in the modern scenario where we want maximum productivity in minimum time. A visual representation of already interpreted data makes it super easy to take decisions. Now, these representations are of different types: bar chart, single line graph, pie chart, area chart. Both of them open the MS Excel and starts exploring. Just open an Excel and go to the horizontal menu bar. Click on Insert and here you see so many options. You have to just select and get going. It's so damn simple. Now, both of them have this data from their dad's grocery shop in hand and they quickly start creating the bar chart. Now, follow the steps sequentially. Step 1. Prepare this chart in Excel. Step 2. Select both the data and then click on Insert. The following options come on screen. Select the one you want and yes, your bar chart is ready to go. Now let's carefully understand the elements of a graph. There are primarily 7 of them: the chart area, the plot area, the data points, the horizontal and vertical axis, the legend, a chart and axis titles, a data label. Now understand this in the given graph, students. The entire chart, inclusive of all elements, is the chart area. The plot area is the area bounded by the respective axis, x and y axis in a 2D chart and x, y and z axis in a 3D chart. The values represented by bars, columns, line, pie or different other shapes are called markers. Data markers of the very same color constitute the data series. Now, the data series are the related data points that are placed or plotted in the chart or graph. The x-axis is the horizontal line which usually contains categories and y-axis is usually the vertical line which contains data. A legend is the identifier of the piece of information displayed in the chart or graph. Chart and axis titles are descriptive texts. A data label provides additional or top-up information for a data marker to identify the details of a data point in a data series. Next, we move on to the formatting of the charts. Now, click on any part of the chart and you will get Design and Format tabs. Let's understand the important parts now. See the different options available when you click the Design tab. For example, these are for the chart styles and this tab is switching row and column. Next, we have the Format tab. You can see the different options available here. Say this particular option is for word styles and see how the style changes. Now understand this carefully, students. MS Excel provides you with numerous options. You just need to read the symbols and texts carefully. Pie chart is something Tim and Joy wants to draw right now. Let's have a look at the raw data and we will now stepwise create a pie chart. Enter the data in an Excel worksheet. Select the data captured only in 2 consecutive columns. Select the chart type pie by identifying the symbol from the ribbon. Now select the 3D pie option. Now click the plot area of the pie chart. This will lead you to the Design tab and the Format tab. The Design tab has these options as you can see on screen. The Format tab has the options as you can see on screen. Also remember that sometimes there may be requirement of 3D graphs. See, this is an example of 3D graph. So students, please understand that the major advantages of graphs and charts is to explore, to present and to convince. Just like Tim and Joy, all of you must try and practice graphs and bars with hypothetical data as available. Keep exploring the design, format and related tabs to change the different aspects of the graphs. We will have to close our lesson here. See you soon in another new chapter from Computer Accounting. Till then, happy learning.